Hi everyone, this is Marcela. I hope you are well. Welcome back to our channel, and if you are new, I invite you to subscribe and to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out any of our videos. For today, I'm going to show you how to do step by step this cute and easy hairstyle.
In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to do this cute and easy hairstyle, perfect for every day or any special occasion. Let's get started.
As always, and first of all, I'm going to prepare the hair with our golden treatment, so we will keep it very healthy and it will be so shiny to start doing our hairstyle. I have awesome news as well, guys. For October and November, we will have our golden treatment with a 40% off on our website. I'm going to leave you the link in the top right corner of the video so you can have a look and buy it there. In today's video, I will be using a topsy tail. You have seen me using this a lot of times. It's great to do some hairstyles, and now guys, if you don't have it, you can get it on our website as well, so I will leave you a link as well in the top right corner. Okay, now for the hairstyle, we're going to split the hair in half on the top, and we're going to do another division from here to the ear on each side of the head. Perfect. I'm going to comb the hair and hold the back section with a regular band. This is optional. And next, I'm going to start on this side. I'm going to split the section in half. With the top section, we're going to do a regular braid, crossing the outside strands over the middle one. We want to reach the middle of the head at the back and hold it with an elastic. Now we can let down the remaining hair. I'm going to hold the braid aside. And with the bottom section, we're going to do a regular braid as well. When we are ready and using the topsy tail, we're going to pass it through the first stitch of the braid. I'm going to grab a piece of hair from the top, pass it through the loop, and now pull the topsy tail to the other side. Now pass the topsy tail again through the second stitch of the braid, grab a piece of hair from the top, pass it through the loop, and now pull it to the other side. One more time, pass the topsy tail through the third stitch of the braid. We're going to grab a piece of hair from the top, pass it through the loop, and pull it to the other side. As you can see, guys, this is a super easy way to do a waterfall braid, so keep doing the same thing until we reach the middle of the head. Good. Now I'm going to let down this braid. I'm going to hold the waterfall and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, in here I went ahead and I already have the two top braids and the two waterfall braids. In here I'm going to join the waterfall braids and hold them together using an elastic. Perfect. We're going to do the same thing with the top braids. I'm going to hold them in here. Next, hide the remaining hair from the top braids. And to finish this hairstyle, I'm going to cover the elastics using an accessory. And here we have a super cute and quick to do hairstyle.
We hope you liked this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more of our videos. See you on the next one. Bye!